I need to get real with you guys. Being a mom is hard. The struggle is real. I don't remember the last time I put a full set of makeup on. I don't remember the last time I did my hair. Or in fact, I don't even know where my hair straightener is, if I even still own one. My nails, completely forget about it. I live in sweatpants every day, all day long. My latest accessory is nursing a baby or spit up on my shirt. And you know it's really bad when you put a pair of jeans on and your kids ask you why you're so dressed up. And where are you going, Mommy? You're so dressed up, right? I fell in this rut of motherhood and just lost myself and felt very unattractive and unworthy. And Jeff makes a point every single day to tell me that I'm beautiful. And I found myself getting mad at him and angry and like looking at myself and being like, how can you think I look pretty right now? Why would you even say that? And I knew that something had to change. I had to redirect my energy and my focus somehow. And I came across this Bible verse that spoke volumes to me. And it's Proverbs 31:28. And it says, her children rise up and call her blessed. Her husband also, and praises her. And that just touched me in a way that made me step into action and think about myself a little bit more and take those steps to realizing, like, what do I need to be a better mom, to be a better wife, to be a better version of myself. And I require simple things, and it's not getting my nails done, it's not putting makeup on, it's not even changing my clothes that day to make me feel whole again. It's these simple things. I require working out, and it's yoga for me. Like just going to my favorite yoga studio and taking a yoga class. It fills up my cup. I require being in the kitchen alone for a minimal time just to cook a wholesome dinner and meals for my family so that they can enjoy it. I also require a shower by myself. Just 30 minutes, 4 days a week. That's it. It's like the little simple things that I require. So I know how all you moms are feeling out there. I totally relate to it because I've been there, and, you know, we try to pull ourselves out. I find the little things to bring me back, and just, I know now that I am blessed. I am beautiful. I am loved by so many people. And I just want you guys to know that you are too. So just find what makes you whole again. Just really dig deep and just figure out the little simple things that you need and make it a point to do it so you don't get lost and you don't get too far into this rut of just motherhood that is hard. It's hard work. So thank you guys so much for taking the time and just letting me rant to you guys and listening to this video. And I hope that you found value in it some way and that you can realize that you are blessed and beautiful as well.